Morning world, Hippy Trev here. Another beautiful day up here in paradise. Roll the intro.
Hi, Hippy Trev here, and welcome to my channel. Hope you get something out of it.
Right, morning worlds. Well, it's been probably 2, maybe 3 months since I did the repair on the bike, placed a belt, redone the pulley and all the wiring. This is the first trip out. I hadn't started in 3 months, 2-3 months. Let's see if she goes. Carby would have just drained dry, so battery's held itself. It's been on a triple charge off and on for the 3 months. Beautiful. So I just walked around, had a quick check of the bike. Someone said my belt's way too loose when I put it together. Well, I had a bit of a feel, the belt feels good. But this will be a good first run for it. That way if the belt stretches out, so forth. Brand new tyre on the back, still hasn't been ridden on. So I have to be careful for the first couple of corners and the first few miles, so I'll bed that in. It's a tad chilly. There's a fairly strong wind blowing. It was a bit chilly when I got up this morning. Yeah, I'm sucking on soother. I want to give this bike a really good warm up. No rattles, no clumps, everything sounded fucking wonderful. I had a jerry can of unleaded fuel in the shed here. I've had it for quite a while, so I've topped her up with unleaded fuel. Still no unleaded in town, and of course the price of fuel's just gone up another 52 cents a litre since they put the excise back on a couple of days ago. So here we go. Let's hope I still know how to ride. Woo, hot dog. Oh, this has been a long time coming, I'll tell you. Now I'm only going to do a short run. I'm only going down to Bam Bam Springs and back. It's probably about a 50-mile round trip thereabouts, probably not even. My tank's rattling, I've got to tighten that up, so. Oh yeah, she's definitely a bit chilly out. I probably could have done with the electric, probably could have done with me leather jacket on. Hey Harry. Oh yeah, this has been a long time coming, but like I said, I'm only going to do a short run down to Bam Bam because this is literally the very first ride since I put the bike together, 3 months ago. Whoa. Lee's fucking new car, and we took it, brought it back. The guy wasn't home. Nah, fuck. Took it around to JJ Autos Thursday. Didn't look at Thursday, didn't look at Friday, still sitting there now, so still don't know what's wrong with it. He really does need to take it back to where he bought it from. I don't know what's going to happen to it. Anyway, let's get it on. Seems to be tracking dead straight. I've got my hands off the bars. Bike's tracking dead straight, so I don't think I'll do a wheel on it. Servo here I'm going to pull up at. I'm glad I'm not doing a big trip today. One, it's too fucking cold. I should have put more gear on. I probably should have had gloves on with my fingers. I don't know if I'm going to be able to roll a fucking smoke. See what this truck's doing. Yeah, it's nice and sunny, but that wind chill is fucking crispy, I can tell you that. Go and pull over here on the park table. Yeah, she's definitely a bit crispy out, so... I'm glad I'm only doing a short run today. I want to check everything over, make sure everything's right. And yeah, I probably should have some more gear on. Alright, well, I'll talk to you later. Alright, well, I've just looked at the belt, how it's riding in the pulley, and it's not riding too good at all. Belt's right up hard against the ridge on one side, so that'll need readjusting when I get home. Right, another reason I'm only going for a short run, gets to stretch the belt out and sort out all these niggly little things. But yeah, the belt's definitely not running straight. thou of an inch or a bit of shiny on the outside of the pulley, which means the belt's hard up against the inside bridge of the pulley. So I'm only taking it easy going home because I don't want it to fucking jump over. I mean, it's tight, but it's definitely over way too far, so it's not centralised in the pulley. So I'm actually hoping it's got nothing to do with the pulley I've got up harried on sitting in the rim ride. I mean, it should be. Right, let's get it on. Yeah, something's definitely not right there. So a little bit nervous. Another reason I'm not glad on that. Another reason I'm glad I'm not going on a big long fucking ride. I was going to go over to Chillie. I rang him before and he didn't answer. And by the time I set up the bike and hadn't replied, I thought, well, fuck it, I'll come down to Bandang. So, there's always a reason for certain things to happen. Just plodding along nice and slow. I wonder if Harry's home. I might drop and ask him because I'd done the alignment fucking dead right. I used verniers and each side was exactly the way it was supposed to be. It's like the wheel needs to move over a little bit, or the pulley needs to move over a bit. So just wondering if Harry's home. Door open? Truck's there. No, don't think he's home. Alright. Oh, he's there. Right, I'm gonna nip back and go and see Harry. I'm sure he won't mind me dropping in for a couple of secs. Rightio, well, it's a pulled in Harry's and belt's running as true as. I rode home like a pussy for no fucking reason. Mind you, it was a bit cool. Wasn't so cold coming home riding flat out. So anyway, belt's tracking dead straight and true. So I just feed Harry, said, yeah, did you roll the bike backwards and the belt will move left and right a little bit on the pulley, but she was tracking dead straight and dead smack in the middle of the pulley where it was supposed to be. So I'm happy about that. He also said that I could probably tighten up the belt, probably just a couple of mil. Just, you know, just a couple of mil, just tighten it up. But other than that, he said not too bad. You could ride like that for thousands of k's and wouldn't cause any problems. So anyway, so the bike's all good. Ain't fuck for that. So it's always good to go out the first ride. I'll pull this back in. Since putting it together. And you just never know, you just got to do it, check everything over, make sure everything's good. So, in one way it was sort of good, Jody wasn't home or something, but yeah, so I guess in one way it was kind of good. Jody never got back to me, otherwise would have got over to his place, her place, and probably spun out. But anyway, bike's running sweet as. Definitely chilly out. I should have had some gloves on, and I probably could have had a leather jacket on. So yeah, first ride in so long is just crazy. So anyway, well, bike's running good. I need to get out and do it a lot more often. So anyway, well, stay safe, keep your knees in the breeze, and I will catch you later. Bye.